T-fal Signature Non-Stick Dishwasher Safe Cookware Set, 12-piece, black. Set includes 7.75-inch and 11-inch fry pans, 1 quart and 2 quart saucepans with lids, a 5.5 quart Dutch oven with lid, a 10.25-inch griddle, and a spoon, ladle, and slotted spatula. Dishwasher safe. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe cookware set. Non-stick interior and exterior for low-fat cooking and easy cleaning. Use and care. Safe for all cooking methods except induction, PFOA, lead, and cadmium free. Wash the frying pan in hot water and washing up liquid to remove any dust. Dry it and rub a little cooking oil into the non-stick coating before using it for the first time. Heats evenly. With our thermo spot indicator, know when our T-fal pan is ready for use. Oven safe up to 350 Fahrenheit. Ergonomic heat-resistant handles for a comfortable grip. Vented tempered glass lids trap in heat and moisture.